We have a clock here, it is 8:20, and if there is a reflection on the mirror, you see that this is 4, this is 3, this is 30, 35, 40. It is 340. 340 is A. In this question, the smaller gear makes one complete rotation. The larger makes less than one. So D, E, and B has gone half or 2/3. Imagine that one of them is 10, the other is 15. They are not half of each other. It is 2/3. So it is an aptitude question. You can understand what is happening here. There is a game in this question, and I have drawn some cells. Red cells contain honey and purple cells doesn't contain honey. Check the solution. For the 1, there is only 1 contains honey. For 2, there are 2 newborn contains honey. For the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 contains honey. How many red cells are there in the figure? There are 9. The answer is 9. You need to realize that the bottom is 13, the bottom is 22, and the bottom is 8. Totally 13 plus 22 plus 8 is equal to 43. In this question, I'm just going to show you the answer. Bello has eaten the cake. Let's check if we are right. All people are telling the truth, but only one is lying. Bello says, I ate the cake. It is true. Chimaka says, Emeka hasn't eaten the cake. If Bello has eaten and Emeka hasn't eaten, this means Chimaka is true. Ayo says, I didn't eat the cake. It's also true because Bello has eaten the cake. Damilola says, I didn't eat the cake. It's also okay for us. Emeka says, Ayo has eaten the cake. Ayo didn't eat, but Emeka is telling lie. Totally everybody tells the truth, but only Emeka is lying. If you see that Ayo says, I didn't eat, and Emeka says, Ayo eats, you need to start from here. The answer is Bello. Bello has eaten the cake. In the question, that's right, David scores higher than Ade, but lower than Chika. Rabi has the lowest score, so everybody is bigger than Rabi. Bola scores higher than Chika, so Bola is bigger than Chika. Who has the highest score? It is Bola. In the solution, we have written all stages. M and C chains, so we are going to reach Spimhona. And then H and P chains. H and P chains. So we have Chihimpona. This is the second one. And we changed A and I. We have Champoni. A and I changed. After that, I and O changed. We have Champino. After that, we changed N and O. We have champion. How many steps we have? We have 5. First one, second one, first one, second one, first one, second one, first one, second one. You can create all, but not B with the Q. We need to start with 7 because 7 is a prime number. It's not divisible by any number, so 7/1 is equal to 7. Same as 5, but in this question 10 is divisible by 5. We can use 10/5 is 2. There is no other option, but critical number is 7. We are going to continue to solve this question. 9 over 3 is 3. 6 over 2 is equal to 3. These are P, Q, R, S. And the last one, 8 over 4 is equal to 2 is T. 7, 9, 12, 15 and 17. The total is 17. This is a puzzle. Try it once more. Very tricky question. If you write it 8 here, everything is clear. 5 times 8, 40. 3 times 8, 24. 6 times 8, 48. 4 times 8 is 32. The answer is E. We are going to fill in the blanks. This is, for example, minus 15. Minus 15 plus 2, minus 13. 3 minus 1, it is 2. Minus 1 plus 5, it is 4. 5 minus 15 is equal to minus 10. B is minus 10. A is minus 15. What about D? Minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3. D is 12. What about E? 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. E is minus 15. What about C? C is 5. Let's find KLM. 12 minus 15 minus 3. 12 plus 5, it is 17. Minus 15 minus 10 minus 25. So minus 25 minus 3 plus 17 is equal to 28. Minus 28 plus 17 minus 11 is our answer. If you see the pattern, it's very clear. 2 times 2 plus 3 is equal to 10. 8 times 8 plus 4 is equal to 96. 7 times 7 plus 2 is equal to 63. Then 6 times 6 plus 5 is equal to 66. What is the question? 9 times 9 plus 5 is equal to 9 times 14 is equal to 126 is the answer. D. In this kind of questions, focus on number of the squares. With 1 square, we can create squares. With 4 squares, we can create a new one. With 9, we can create. And with 16 pieces, we can create squares. How many squares are created by only 1 square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8. What about 4? Check here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So there are 11 different squares. What about 9? 1 here, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4. And there is only 1 for the 16 pieces, the big square. This means 24 plus 11, 35, plus 4, 39, plus 1 is 40. The answer is D.